Hello again. Welcome back to Clark Adventures. Today we're going to look at how to get high. Go up in the world. To get a boost for your booster. That's right. I'm going to show you how you super affordable boosting antenna for your cell booster. So what you want to do is you go to the Home Depot, get yourself, or any hardware supply store or plumbing supply, get yourself a nice good piece of PVC. If it's too long, don't worry, you're going to probably want to cut it for storage. And if you do that, you want to make sure you get a coupler. You can put the two pieces together, and I wrapped it with electrical tape at the spots where it would connect to the cable clamps on the ladder, the conduit clamps. And so what I can do is, I said, you want to know where your spot is. So you slide it in, no problem. Get that one in really easy. It'll rest on the bumper. And then what I can do is I put the other one down through the top, connect it. It'll also land, and then that will sit high enough above all my things on the Winnebago. It'll completely clear the air conditioner, but collapses easily for storage. And you can get these pieces of PVC for under $10. And a few dollars for your electrical tape. The coupler, maybe $1, and the cap probably under $1 as well. So the whole thing put together, probably under $20 or definitely under $25. An easy way to avoid buying one of those expensive antenna extenders that you would need. So that's how to do it. Get boosted, or boost your booster on the cheap. And to store it, we put it in my multi-purpose storage area. It is a pass-through. We keep a lot of wood down here on the bottom, our chairs, but on the back wall I attached some hooks. One from cheap from the dollar store, and then another from the Home Depot. It's a clamp hook, and there you go. And that's how I store the two parts. So when you're ready to pull it out, there we go. There's the top. And so what I do is I wrap the PVC with some electrical tape around here, so the booster, cell booster, I can leave it on there and it's pretty tight and it's snug and it won't rotate. Also want to put a cap on the end so you don't get water coming through. And there's your coupler. Took that piece of PVC, cut it in half, 2 sections, and there I have a good more than 10 feet. I'll show you. Come around and I'll show you. Stop that. Hook up your cables, and run down into the through the window into the station for the cell booster, and then run the antenna, the separate interior antenna, out into the main part of the Winnebago. And there you got it. Well, if you like that and these and other little tricks, please like and subscribe to our channel. And that's an easy way to get your cell booster boosted, and not very expensively. And you can see it's pretty easy storage on the back wall of your storage compartment. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.